In the previous video, we have discussed about the excretory system in humans. We have talked about kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Now we will study the structural and functional unit of kidney, that is the nephron. A nephron comprises of a cup-shaped structure that is known as Bowman's capsule, and within this Bowman's capsule enters the renal artery and forms the network of blood capillaries. This network of blood capillaries is known as the glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule extends in the form of urinary tubules all over, which is surrounded by the network of blood capillaries. Now, what is Bowman's capsule? You can look at this cup-shaped structure. This cup-shaped structure present on one end of the nephron is the Bowman's capsule. This Bowman's capsule contains the network of capillaries, that is the glomerulus. Bowman's capsule along with the network of capillaries forms Malpighian body. The process of filtration, that is the first step in formation of urine, takes place within this Bowman's capsule. Now, how this process takes place? The renal artery brings the blood that is containing the waste material into this glomerulus. As you can see, the entry of the blood vessel as well as the exit of the blood vessels. Here it is thicker and here it is thin. Therefore, the blood pressure is created within this capillaries, within this glomerulus. That result in moving of the plasma-like substance into the Bowman's capsule. So under high pressure, the process of filtration takes place. The plasma-like substance that enters the Bowman's capsule contains water, sugar, other solutes along with the waste material. The Bowman's capsule extends in the form of long urinary tubule. You can see this structure, the blue colored structure is the urinary tubule. This urinary tubule is surrounded by the network of blood capillaries. The filtrate from the Bowman's capsule, it passes through the urinary tubules. Here you can see the arrow. These arrow shows the movement of filtrate into across the urinary tubule. When this filtrate moves along with the urinary tubule, some of the material such as water, sugar and other useful substances are reabsorbed in it. So the process of reabsorption of useful substance into the blood capillaries takes place here. The urinary tubules of each kidney, there are many urinary tubules. All the urinary tubules of each kidney joins to form the common tube called ureter. We have already studied about the ureter in the previous video. The remaining fluid that is present in the tubule contains the waste material such as urea, uric acid and many other more waste material. Some of the waste material that still exists within the blood vessel, this moves into the urinary tubule and this is termed as secretion. So secretion is the addition of waste from the blood into the urinary tubule. Finally, the substance that is formed is urine. Urine leaves the kidney and passes into the urinary bladder, where it is stored for certain period of time until the urinary bladder is full. When the urinary bladder is full, urine passes out through the urethra.